Ayun, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. So today, no, nakikita niyo naman sa ating title na gusto ko lang po i-share sa inyo yung mga perfumes, no, na I am or I will be gravitating towards ngayon pong tag-ulan, no. So ngayon po tag-ulan season, and of course, no, katatapos lang po nung NTEC, no, na dumaan po sa Northern Luzon. So I hope na everyone is okay. I'm praying na lahat po tayo ay safe, no. So anyway, ayun, I'll be making another content, no. Sorry po, hindi ako nakagawa ng content the past days kasi nagkaroon po ako ng ear problem, no. And ayun, really, paano ba, naging uncomfortable siya, pero thank God, resolved naman na lahat, settled na lahat, no. So yeah, I'm just so happy to be doing a content again sa ngayon. And very quickly lang, hopefully, pero alam nyo naman po ako, no, pag nagsasalita akong daldal ko, napapahaba tayo, no. Pero yeah, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung rotation ko, yung mga frags na tingin ko I would be gravitating towards, or yung mga ginagamit ko recently, no. Of course, alam nyo naman na nasa Baguio po ako, so tag-ulan season, it would mean na mas malamig na Baguio ang fini-face namin sa ngayon, no. So mas nagagamit ko yung frags ko kasi alam nyo naman, no, yung karamihan ng frags ko are siguro I could say na nighttime or cold weather kind of frags. Pero yeah, sabi nga nila, you do you, no. So just wear whatever you like sa kahit anong season. Of course, no, there are totoo naman yun, no, there's this side na there are certain frags na weather appropriate, no, or frags that you would wear or you could maximize, no, sa mga certain seasons lang, no. Halimbawa, may mga frags, no, like the citrus forward frags na mas magagamit mo siya ng maganda sa summer, or there are those na mga oud base, mga orientals, mga warm spicy, ambery, woody frags, may mga leather, etc. that are best na magagamit mo pag maulan or pag malamig. Anyway, that's just me, no, kasi nakita siguro natin sa group, no, kaya ako nasabi yun as may introduction, no, parang nangaharal ka agad, no. Pero anyway, nakikita kasi natin sa groups na sometimes we set a standard na while it is true at a degree, minsan kasi, no, it robs us from the enjoyment na pwede nating magawa, or pwede tayong magkaroon from wearing a frag. Na walang enjoyment, may standard na tayo, ilang sprays, ilang kailan gagamitin, anong gagamitin sa ganitong occasion. Well, yun, no, that's just me. No, enjoy lang natin yung frags, no. Ako, I would wear oud sa mainit, no, if I feel like wearing oud sa mainit. I would wear citrus based frags kahit hindi ako mahilig sa citrus, no. Kahit sa malamig, no, you do you, no, sabi nga nila. So anyway, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung mga frags na I am using or rotation ko for this rainy Baguio weather, no. So number 1, simulan na natin sa Cosa Nostra ng Ren Atelier. No, nakita nyo naman yung dent, no. Hindi pa tumatagal sa akin, pero talagang gamit na gamit ko to, no. In-overspray ko to. And by the way, the perfumer, shout out, happy birthday po. I'm recording this video, no, sa birthday mismo ng perfumer nito. Shout out to our very own The Filipino Knows, Sir Renato Lopena Jr. Thank you so much for your artistry, your creation. Nakaka-proud lang na we have a perfumer, no, dito sa local, no. And really passionate sa work niya, no. Really great perfumer, no. And ayun, again, nakaka-proud. Happy birthday, sir. No, so again, no, Cosa Nostra from Ren Atelier. No, this is may tobacco, may rum, or rum and whiskey ata, and may metallic accords. And this has gunpowder or pulbura, no. I made a post before, no, showing yung mga frags na merong gunpowder accord ako, no. But anyway, yeah, meron siyang gunpowder, no, na accord, and may dried citrus siya, no. So para sa akin, no, this is forward sa gunpowder, sa whiskey, and sa dried citruses, no. So yeah, hindi ko alam, para siguro lang sa akin, pero this comes off as parang I would classify it as fresh, no. Pero guys, no, don't be fooled kasi hindi siya fresh talaga, no. Yung mga naka-try na nito na friends ko, lalo sa Baguio Frag Group, no, sa sniff session namin, nagtataka sila ba't sinasabi ko na I classify this more on the fresher side. Well, if there be any citrus, no, kung naamoy nyo na po yung Terra Essence ng Bulgari, ganun yung citrus niya, no. Maraming offended, marami ang may ayaw sa Terra Essence, and siguro I would say that the citruses and the earthy nuances ng Terra Essence medyo nasa same ballpark sila nitong Cosa Nostra. But again, no, I love this one. Madalas ko siyang gamitin lalo pag medyo mainit na maulan pero mainit-init pa rin, no. So yeah, I love this one, no. Again, no, you could see that dent, siguro around 5 ml na ang bawas nito. Sabi ko nga kay Sir Renato, no, this for me is a 15 sprays minimum. So I could go, of course, above and beyond. So yeah, Cosa Nostra from Ren Atelier. And next one na siguro madalas kong gamitin, or I could see myself wearing, no, ngayong malamig at tag-ulan na Baguio. Well, again, no, yung choices ko, no, baka meron sa inyong tataas ng kilay or magtataka, no, bakit ganun yung choices ni sir. But yeah, second one, this is called Antaeus, no, from Chanel, no. This is pambihira, no. What could I say sa gem na to? This is a Jack Polge classic, no. This is a 1981 release. Actually, no, this is not the first form, because the first form, no, you would see, if I'm not mistaken, correct me if I'm wrong, silver yung top niya, nung top, no. But nevertheless, no, this is still in its vintage form, kasi one of your indication of a vintage na Antaeus, it should be in its silver sprayer, no. Kasi I believe ang mga Antaeus ngayon, yung newer formulation is all black na, no. I have a friend, no, by the name of Eugene, no, shout out Eugene. He has the first form na vintage, no, the 1981 talaga, no. So yeah, may mga differences. I believe yung EDT, it should be up here, and the Chanel ay yung pinakababa, parang ganun, no. But yeah, doon sa mga napanood kong reviews, mga nabasa ko na reviews, no, wala sila halos difference aside sa performance, no. So mas performing pa rin yung first form, but it doesn't disqualify this one when it comes sa performance, no. So yeah, 1981 vintage frag, no. This is a masterpiece sa use ng myrrh, sa use ng leather. This was the time, no, I believe, na they incorporate leather with castoreum. Of course, castoreum, that's an animalic accord, no. There was a time, no, na they incorporate leather with the castoreum, no. So it's really good, no. I love this one. a really performing din na frag. Well, I care less sa performance, to be honest, no. But yeah, if you are looking for quote and unquote beast mode na frag, this would have to be one of those, no. Antaeus per ohm ng Chanel, pambihira, napaka masterful lang, napakagaling ng frag na to, no. And lalo sa dry down, guys, no, aside from the leather incorporated in the Castoreum, ang bihira, napakaganda ng oak moss nito, no. Sorry. talagang I'm a fan of this frag, no. Talagang solid to. So believe it or not, no, para sa may mga Antaeus, no, ito po ay in-overspray ko rin like Cosa Nostra. Ito po ay ginagamit ko. I use this and abuse, no. I love this one. Ginagamit ko siya siguro sa mga busier na days, no. And I do not mind overspraying, no. Kahit i-overspray ko siya after 7 hours, 8 hours, ang bihira. Antaeus, guys, if you are looking for a masculine talaga na frag, no, na hindi pretentious, no. Sorry guys, no, pero some of the frags na, you know, may categorization kasi siya, di ba? Feminine, masculine, unisex. Those masculine frags, hindi ko naman nila lahat, pero there are masculine frags today na I would say a bit pretentious, no. Parang hindi siya masculine talaga na may oomph, eh. Hindi siya ganun, eh. This is really masculine. Ito yung masculine na I could say na true to its definition or categorization. But yeah, Antaeus ng Chanel, no. So number 2 and number 3, siguro let's go to punta tayo sa mas lighter, kasi again, Cosa Nostra and Antaeus, no, these are heavy hitters, no, in my books. But yeah, a lighter, slightly lighter na frags, no. I love smelling these frags, no, kahit nasa bahay lang ako. Even kasi ito later on, no, ipapakita ko sa inyo, splash kasi yung isa. I love using them bago ako matulog. I love sniffing them, no, pambihira. The third one, let's go to another Chanel, no. Actually, napakita ko na to in one of my videos, no. I believe yung last video ko. So this is called number 5 by Chanel, no, another Chanel, no. But this is the Eau de Cologne, no, EDC version, no, kasi yung kilala sa community ay yung EDT at saka yung Eau de Parfum, no. So those are the well-known concentrations of number 5 we have in the community. But I have here the 1960s-ish, no, na batch ng number 5 Eau de Cologne, no. This is in its splash form, no. Again, sinabi ko na to, no, sa review ko nito, no. Isa sa review ko, no, sabi ko, one of your indication of a vintage frag, no. Well, maraming indication yan, no, pero one of your indication is if it is in a splash form, no. Tapos you could see here, no, na that's an alcohol concentration, yung may 75, tapos may bilog, no, parang superscript, no. That's the alcohol concentration. That's also one of your indication na what you have is a vintage Chanel, no. So anyway, just to give you an information, this is still the floral aldehydic na route, no, ng most of the vintage frags, no, na tinake din ng Chanel, no. Even Jean Patou or Jean Desprez, no, Estée Lauder, no, you would smell the signature floral aldehydic pero may animalic, no, na nuance, no. This one, it has an animalic na touch to it, no. I believe it's civet, no, na ginamit nila dito. And this is really great frag, Mambira. This is really comforting, no. It's like an embrace, no. Sabi ko nga doon sa video, last video ko, no. It reminds me of my grandmother. It reminds me of going out, no, kasama yung grandmother ko. This is really comforting, no. I love this frag, no. And Pambira, look at the juice color, no. Yeah, it's really masterful, no. Talagang nakakamangha siya. So yeah, number 5, Eau de Cologne ng Chanel. And one of the frags then, no, that is comforting sa akin, no. And I love smelling. I think, no, na mas na-utilize yung use niya ngayong malamig, no. This is called Vanille Van ng Les Indemodables, no, kung ano man yung pronunciation yan. But yeah, Vanille Van, no, this is a gem in the community para po sa mga matagal-tagal na, no, sa community, lalo sa mga nasa niche game, no. Les Indemodab, no, this is a gem of a house, no. Of course, no, this is one of the well-known, no, na offerings from the house, no. Vanille Van, no, this is the inspiration behind this, the, you know, the single note perfumery, no, or the single note perfume making ng 19th century, no, where they take a note, no, and you explore every facets, every nuances of that note, no. And this one, kaya siya Vanille Van, by the way, this is an Anton Lai, no, na creation, no, a great nose. The inspiration is, you know, cutting through a vanilla bean, no. Hindi siya yung usual na, you know, the creamy and the candied sweet vanilla na we do often na naamoy natin, no, sa perfumery ngayon. But this one, this is exploring every facet of a vanilla, no. Parang you would cut through a vanilla bean, no, at you would smell na may cacao pala yan, may spices pala yan, no, like a clove, no. Meron pala siyang rum, may boozy facets pala siya, may woody facets pala siya. Hindi lang siya matamis at creamy, no, na parang gatas. Hindi lang ganun, no. Marami pala siyang facets, no. And this one, for me, napaka comforting, Pambira, napaka bango. Guys, isa to sa mga frags, no. You know me, no, I'm an Amouage guy. Pero isa to sa, I would say, sa mga frags na nakapasok sa personal top 5 ko, no, na napakabango nitong Vanille Van. So anyway, no, napaka panalo nitong Vanille Van by Les Indemodab. And isa pa po na I'm gravitating towards ngayong rainy season sa Baguio. This is called Ambre Lu ng Rania J, no. This is also an underrated na niche house, no. Rania J, no, if you have heard of Oud Assam, no, yung mga frags na yan, no. This is one of their offerings, no. Nung summer, nung mainit-init pa, no, at least sa Baguio, naamoy ko yung, of course, this is amber forward, no, the accord, yung use nila ng amber. Naamoy ko naman yung development na nakikita ko sa Parfumo or sa Fragrantica. Pero ngayong malamig, no, sabi ko nga doon sa pinagbilhan ko, no, shout out Sir Benedict. Sabi ko, mas feel ko, if for lack of better terms, no, mas na-justify siguro yung note breakdown niya sa Parfumo or sa Fragrantica ngayong malamig. Mas buo siya, if that makes sense. Mas rich siya, no. Napakabango nito, Pambira. I love this one. May sweetness siya, eh. If you have tried Byzantine Amber ng Francesca Bianchi, no, I've shared before, no, na may mga Francesca Bianchi ako, no, like itong Dark Side, no, and ito, no, basahin nyo na lang, no, baka bawal.
Anyway, Francesca Bianchi, no, I love their use of amber and their play sa florals, their play sa honey, making it a touch animalic, no, in that stash, no. Pero yeah, Ambre Lou, no, mas rich siya for me, no. Actually, Lou is wolf in French, no. So for me, this is, you know, it's like looking at a wolf, no. Hindi na kailangan umatake ng wolf, no. It's like lurking yung wolf, no. It's like lurking, stalking you, at mamaya-maya makikita mo siya howling, no. Tapos yung usual image na may moon sa background, ganun lang siya. It's enough, hindi na siya kailangan umatake sa'yo to know that the animal is powerful, no. So this is, you know, spices, of course, no, and this is wood in the base, no. May trinay akong explain, I believe, nung ni-review ko yung black wood ng Domus Cemeterius, no. May explanation ako dito about the development of the wood. But yeah, Ambre Lou by Rania J, no. You've got to try this one, guys, no. If you love, or if you want to explore the use of amber ng iba't ibang houses, no, you should definitely get your nose dito po sa Ambre Lou. So yeah, Ambre Lou. Tapos isa pang gusto kong i-share sa inyo, going back sa house ng Chanel, no, this is for me, no, I would say my current favorite sa house ng Chanel. This is called Le Lion ng Chanel, no. Sorry guys, no, I'm not feeling 100%, no. Siguro halata nyo naman sa boses ko, but yeah, Le Lion ng Chanel, no, very recent lang, parang 3 weeks ago or a month ago ko lang to nakuha. Pambihira, the labdanum here, labdanum, no, of course may leathery nuwan siya, no. This starts off with citrus, no. Hindi siya yung citrus that you would imagine na invigorating, fresh, hindi siya ganon, no. This is citrus similar sa sinasabi ko kanina about Cosa Nostra, no. It's a dry citrus, para siyang citrus na sinunog mo konti, parang ganon, no. Le Lion ng Chanel, pambihira, no. It's a labdanum bomb, no. For me, I would dare say na ito yung the best na labdanum forward na perfume na nagamit ko. And of course, this is a frag, no, from the less exclusives de Chanel line, no. That's their exclusive or private or niche line, no. Dito sa less exclusives, no, may mga gusto pa akong makuha like Cuir de Russie or Coromandel, no. But yeah, this is my current favorite. Pambira, kulang tong 75 ml. Dapat ito yung isang frag na inisip mo, kaamoy mo pa lang, kagagamit mo pa lang, you would think kaagad na instantaneously, pambihira, sana kinuha ko na yung pinaka madami, no, 200 ml, no. But yeah, try nyo to, guys, Le Lion. This is beautiful, labdanum forward, amazing frag. And another one, let's go to my favorite house. Ayan na. Okay, so yeah, another one is called ayun, Memoir Man. Medyo naglag, no. Memoir Man from Amouage, the black and the silver theme bottle, no. This one, I could imagine na ginagamit to sa formal event na maulan, parang ganun, no? Parang ganun yung pumapasok sa isip ko, na you're wearing a formal attire pero maulan, masyadong malamig na sa Baguio ka. This one is more of the sandalwood, so it's creamy pero leathery siya, no. Hindi siya full-blown leather that you would smell, no. Halimbawa sa ombre leather ng Tom Ford, or how in general a Tom Ford would use leather. Para siyang leather mask agad ng sandalwood, and meron siyang lavender to smoothen things out, no? At yung opening niya may bitter, may green, no, na nuance to it, no? It's really a beautiful frag, no? Hindi rin to loud, no? Na-review ko na rin to in passing, no? Hindi siya loud, no? And that's what you love about fragrances na hindi loud, no? Ang Amouage, kilala sila sa loud na mga fragrances, no? Pero this is one of those frags na hindi loud, no? Hindi siya in your face, no? And you would appreciate sa frag community kasi ang hinahanap puro loud, beast mode. You would appreciate frags like this one ng Memoir Man or alam ba, Diamond ng Amouage din, no? You would learn to understand na okay, maganda rin pala na hindi loud minsan ng fragrances. So yeah, Memoir Man, no, by Amouage, no, napakagandang frag, amazing frag, no. And another one is called this is called Interlude Man, no, by Amouage, no. This is basically incense and may sweet facet siya, no, may oud konti, but yeah, this is basically how Amouage would interpret incense. This is incense at their best, parang ganun, no. So I could imagine this being worn sa gabi, no, na you're just going out, no, and you're trying siguro to introduce yourself, no. This is a really loud frag for me, no. Hindi naman super loud, pero definitely above average yung overall performance niya. So yeah, Interlude Man, by the way, this is also a Pierre Negrin classic, an amazing nose, no. I have a couple of Pierre Negrin frags aside from this one. This is called, pakita ko lang, this is Portrayal Woman ng Amouage, Pierre Negrin. And one of my latest acquisition, this is called Sunshine Man ni Pierre Negrin din, no. Parating din po yung kapatid nito, no. Hopefully by next week parating yung Interlude Black Iris ko, but yeah, let's do a review doon soon, no. So Interlude Man, no. Tapos ano pa ba, no, we're down to our last two na pala, no. So yeah, another one that I could see being worn, no, sa maulan, sa malamig na Baguio. Well, I would still wear this kahit sa mainit, no, pero siguro may degree na mas magiging cloying siya sa mainit, no. But yeah, anyway, no, na-share ko na to before. This is my current favorite among my collection. This is called Royal Tobacco by Amouage, no. Pambira. This one opened my eyes sa complexity, no. Ito yung nag-open ng nose ko sa hindi lang sa Amouage, pero sa mga deeper na scent profiles, sa mga more complex na scent profiles, no. And yeah, in a way, no, I'm really thankful sa Royal Tobacco. Isa to sa, sinabi ko nga sa last review ko na isa to sa memorable sa akin kasi ito yung talagang nag-effort ako to understand, no, kasi hindi siya love at first sniff. But yeah, anyway, no, basil. This has this curious note of basil. It has fenugreek, no, that's a note, no, that smells like maple na may honey, na may curry, no. Amazing composition. Incense, so there's fresh spices, there's warm spices, there's oud, no. There's birch tar, no, that smell na parang katatapos ng sunog, no. So yeah, a really complex frag. If you look at this, no, if you look at the note breakdown sa Fragrantica, no, this is like houses like Spirit of Dubai na napakadami, no, ng pambihira, napakadami ng notes, no. So yeah, I could see this being worn parang how you would use Interlude Man, no. So para sa akin same use sila, no. So Yeah, Royal Tobacco by Amouage, pambihira, no. Hangang-hanga ako sa frag na ito. And yeah, because again, no, napatagal na naman tayo, no. This is my last one, no, na gagamitin ko, no. I would say sa ano, no, sa maulan na Baguio, no. This is called Overture Man, pambihira, Overture Man. Would you look at this, that juice color? Overture Man by Amouage, no. This is myrrh, this is incense, this is cognac, and it has animalic touches to it, pambihira. Napaka masterful, no. There are those frags, no, na when you try them, no, na parang napaka masterful. Parang it feels like yung perfumer, it feels like the house, they care for their ano, no, their market, no. Parang you would feel that, no, parang ganun, no. I feel that sa Overture Man, no. It presents itself, napakabangong frag, no. This if there be a frag that competes, no, siguro with Royal Tobacco sa number 1 ko, it would have to be Overture Man, no. Recently may mga nakikita ko sa groups na mga parang poll, mga questions, no, na if you would have to keep a frag lang, no, isang frag lang, what would it be, no? Para sa akin, ang madalas kong sinagot ay Overture Man. But yeah, I could see this being worn din sa formal event, no. Umuulan tapos malamig, sakto sa Baguio ngayon, no. Napakalamig ng Baguio ngayon. Ito yung frag na yon, no, na nakikita kong isusuot ko, no. A dressed up na perfume, no. Napakagaling lang, napaka masterful. Wala na akong masabi, spectacular, dumbfounding. Anyway, Overture Man, isa to sa rotation ko for this summer, or sorry, for this rainy season sa Baguio. So yun guys, basically, no, that's just a rotation, no. Of course, ganda naman ang frags, eh. Kung ano yung nafe-feel mo, no. Halimbawa, gusto mo mag-wear ng summer appropriate frags sa malamig, no. It's you, no. You do you, no. So yeah, siguro yung final words ko lang, ayun guys, no, just wear what you feel, what you like, no. Enjoy nyo lang yung frag, no. Minsan kasi, again, sabi ko kanina, no, nababound tayo ng standards, no, na wala naman kasi subjective tong game, eh, no. Minsan natatrap ka dun, eh, hindi ka makawala, no, na dapat ano lang, 5 sprays lang. Pag nag-6 ka, you're worried, no. Naku, na ang na-spray ko ibang frag, it should be this one kasi yung suggestion nila ganito sa ganitong occasion, sa ganitong season. Hindi po. Wear what you want, wear what you like, i-enjoy ninyo, no, kasi ang daming sprays in 100 ml na bottle, pambira, hindi mo maubos yan, no. Kahit oversprayer ka, kung meron kang 2, 3, 4 na perfume, pambira, hindi mo maubos yan, matagal mo maubos yan, no. So yun lang guys, no, napahaba na naman tayo. Maraming salamat po for tuning in, no. I-provide na lang natin yung timestamp sa comment section and sa description box, no. And again, if you like this kind of content, no, if you see this interesting or somehow helpful sa inyong journey, no, please do consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. Maraming salamat po at ingat po kayo.